Topic: Elements of art. Lesson objective. By the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to identify shape, line, color, form, and texture in artworks, explain the meaning of elements of art, identify elements of art, explain the meaning of at least 4 different elements of art. Photos for practical. You're going to need photos, pencils, markers, paper, crayon, poster color, and a ruler. There are different types of artworks shown here in this lesson. Take your time to check if you can see any of the following: colors, lines, shapes, tone, value, texture, and space. If you have checked the pictures of artworks, I'm sure you must have seen colors, shapes, line, form, textures, tone, and spaces between different shapes. Remember this: colors, lines, shapes, tone, value, texture, space are referred to as elements of art. Again, elements of art. Elements of art refers to the components or the building block which artist uses to create artworks. These components are line, form, space, shape, texture, tone or shade, and value. It's time now for us to know the meaning of each of these elements of art. What is color? What is line, form, shapes, texture, tone, and value? Let's start with one of them. Colors. Colors make our artworks beautiful and more realistic. Line is used for drawing and to describe shapes. Remember, you have different types of line: curve line, zigzag line, spiral line, so on and so forth, even diagonal line. Some lines are fat, some lines are thick, some lines are thin, while some lines are dotted. Then what is form? Form is a solid shape with details, just like your cube, your orange, anything solid. Shapes are used to describe pictures or images without details. That means something that are flat, pictures that are flat, without details, without features on them. Texture refers to when an artwork is smooth or rough. Tone refers to if a color is dark or bright. While value tells more about the volume of darkness or brightness of a color. Take a look at the pictures above. Sample A, B, C, and D. Have you noticed all of these elements present? I'm sure form is not present because form has to do with the solid shape. Artists and designers all over the world can either creatively use one or combination of 2 or more elements of arts together in order to produce an artwork. Such artworks can be paintings, drawings, sculptures, and more. Your homework. Carry out a study by observing the elements of arts that are present in pictures shown above. That is sample A, B, C, and D. Reproduce any of the 2 artworks among sample A, B, C, and D on a plain paper or cardboard. Now, beside your finished works, write the elements of art present in the artworks you are going to create. Feel free to see this video as many times as possible in order to gain good understanding of the lesson.